Government has a responsibility to make sure all services are accessible. People with disabilities are the ones who look for online services more than anyone else. While we recognize that we need to make our enterprise web platform more accessible, we also realized we didn't have those expertise in-house to identify those gaps. So we partnered with the state ADA's office and the AMAC Accessibility Research Center at Georgia Tech to form a common initiative called Access GA.
Our goal is to ensure equal access to technology for people with disabilities in an evolving legal landscape that includes our responsibilities under the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Accessibility, it's something that's important for the citizens. All of us are eventually going to need it, and at the rate we're going, we're also anticipating it's not going to be too many more years before it's just going to be a federal requirement.
Our web platform was built to conform to Section 508 standards, but we found that wasn't really addressing all of the citizens' needs. We wanted to be truly accessible to the people who need it, not just check a compliance box.
When we performed our audits, we took a three-pronged approach of manual testing, automated tools, and code inspection.
A lot of the findings that we discovered within their templates were documented and submitted to the team.
We took the findings from these reports and developed a plan to address the code-related enhancements for our platform.
We used several tools to check the color contrast, the font size, as well as redesigned our color palettes to make sure that they were all accessible.
Over the course of the next several months, we addressed each of these gaps and communicated with the agencies whose sites were affected on the platform so they would know what was going on.
Improving access to these 80 websites is just the beginning. Any accessible product will better serve all our citizens. In the future, all digital properties offered by the state of Georgia to its citizens should be accessible.
And when we think about doing it at an enterprise level, the work that's been accomplished here is just amazing. I think the work that we can do with other agencies is something that's going to be very important and lasting.